Hello, YouTubers, and thank you for staying in, tuning in, tuning in. And I'm sure, my voice is probably late or early for this video, but anyway, so this is a tutorial on how to do telekinesis, but a very basic one, because that's all I can do at this moment. But what you're gonna need is a side wheel and a pencil. Side wheel is made of paper. So if you are familiar with origami, that's going to be very helpful. Or you can Google, side wheel and search for how to make it, an instruction on how to make it. Anyway, so this is the side wheel. This is a pencil. You can use anything that is thin, like a needle, like a toothpick. This happened to be, one of those things that were available for me, and I didn't want to spend any money on this. So I use pencil. I like using round pencil for some reason. Maybe it's okay, if it's not circular, it's okay too. But anyway, so what you do is you set your style wheel in the pencil, balancing, and you do this. So that's step number one. Set your style wheel under a pencil, on the pencil, and see if you can spin it a little bit. And if this doesn't work, then let's go to step number two, which is to feel some kind of energy, power, sensation, whatever, if you put your hand near the style wheel. Some people say it's coolness. Some people say it's warmth. I just feel some kind of electric sensations. So I guess it really depends on how you feel things. But if you don't feel anything, oh, by the way, your hands need to be extremely relaxed in order to feel this because it is very small. It is such a small sensation. So if your hands are like this or like this, then it's going to be harder. But anyway, so you put your hand around it, and if your hand feels anything, that's good. Your hand might not feel anything, and in that case, you can, well, still do, it may not feel anything, but you may still be able to do this. So try it anyhow. But let's move on. If this doesn't work, then let's open our third eye, which is located in between our eyebrows. Of course, it's invisible. So not only should it open like this, sideways, and also this way, vertically as well. So let's, give a massage on our eyebrows, sideways. Good. Now, vertical way. You may wish to wash your face before you do that because my face is sort of oily, so it's kind of slippery. Anyway, so open your third eye and try go back to your side wheel and see if it does anything. Now, if it doesn't work yet, what you can do is move your fingers or hands slightly Probably your fingers should be closer to the actual side wheel, not like this, too high. This is, in my case, this is comfortable, but some people might find it a bit hard to do it, the other way. So I think it's also your call. Now, once you do that, it might start spinning. And if this doesn't still work, if this still doesn't work, then what you can do is to first um, defocus it, like not the center of your attention, but like using the periphery vision, at the end or the sides. So in this case, if you practice it on a webcam, that might be helpful because you can instead of instead of focusing on the side wheel that you have in your hand, you can focus it on your webcam. So see if it's works. See if it works that way. Oh, by the way, through this whole thing, you should be breathing. When I yawn, I find that it likes to go a bit quicker, but it's not like I'm doing this. I'm very bad at it. Now imagine the pencil is extending from your body. We know comfortably how to move different parts of our body by training sometimes, or sometimes you are born with the skill to do it. So instead of just pencil being pencil, how about thinking it extending from your body, from your hand, which is actually the case. And this is also extending from your body to your side wheel, so that like this. Oh, I guess I'm a bit too nervous to do this. So that's it pretty much. Have I left out anything? Um, Probably not. Now, keep trying, and even the smallest change in position, like shaking, is a positive sign. So I hope it's going to help out some people. Once you're comfortable with this, then you can put it on a table, on a desk, and do it remotely and go farther and farther. That's what I think, but I am not an expert on how to develop telekinesis ability. So it's also a journey that I will have to take if I want to be good at it, and I do want to be good at it. So that's pretty much it. Well, thank you very much for tuning in. And I know some people will say, hey, that's bull crap or bullshit or whatever. And well, I think it's better that you try it because you probably have stronger powers than I do to do this. But I really don't want you to be better at this than I am. Anyway, so have an open mind to actually do it yourself. And if it works, great. If it doesn't work, it doesn't mean that you don't have the powers, but it means that my presentation was terrible. And I apologize for that. Well, this is all I have. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope it's going to be successful and fun experience for all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.